Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet for next week update. And last week we have only one day on Friday. That is what the 1st of September. So the monthly positional we have the started from 1st September and we find some opportunity. But in this weekly trade, so we have only one day for weekly contract. So that means the weekly trade opportunity. Why? Because of last 4 days on the week is about August contract, and the last Friday is about a September contract because of the monthly expire. So we use the sheet for an intraday basis, and we find some lot of opportunities and BHEL sale NMDC. And one more important update on SCFC AMC, it was not quite liquid, and also it is the premium the strike price selection also slightly confusing. So we selected a strike price 2380. Why? Because of the future which is closed around 2389 and the spot is trading around 2500. So there is a huge difference between the spot price and the future price. So but even though we selected a strike price, both it's not active, but we selected 2380. That was not an active. Last traded price is around 865 and entry price. So that is why it's showing you before market open it was on the top on our list. Okay, but we ignored that stock. Like Alchem also the same, but if you are checking that, there is no trade on that, only the quality and liquid stock which we are looking for a buying opportunity. So we find out a BHEL sale and NMDC that was giving you such an opportunity. If I go for a BHEL, it's about a 122 call option. The first 15 minutes high is 7.5. So it is a fresh breakout which we got it around 10.4 and it went up to 15.9 and it made a high of 16 plus. So one good opportunity. And sale 91 call option. Okay, so that is also be one more opportunity which we got it. The entry point on the sale is around 5.8. The 5.8 got triggered nearby closing hours. Maybe in intraday trade it may not be suitable, but a positional trade so we can take because here in the day one, so my weekly and monthly both are looks like a same, and whatever the trade triggers in weekly, that is for a monthly also be the same. Okay, so here you can see the same list which we are looking for, and strike prices also be the same, and these are all the opportunity positionally triggered. So maybe we are going to hold it for a in the month of September. It's a monthly position. We have almost some 10 stock which triggers. Okay, in the day one itself. Maybe tomorrow, so we will be getting a lot of opportunity. But even though if you're getting a lot of opportunity, you need to check whether it is quality and liquid. So once you find out, then there is a good opportunity which we can use based on our monthly positional, and weekly positional is going to be update for next week, and the next week which started from 4th of September to 8th September. This 5 days we are going to update the sheet for weekly positional, and monthly positional remains same, and still we are testing on temporary sheet, but it is now same like that the concept which are applying on this temporary sheet that was working better, but as of now we are using that on a weekly basis. Even it give you lot of opportunity, even the same concept like a fresh breakout, if you are using on this is also going to give you such a better trade opportunities. Okay, so now we are going to update for the weekly positional for next week contracts. That means weekly positional trade opportunity based on our advanced option strategy concept which we are using for our trades. So let me try to update the sheet whatever the trades which we got it, and entirely it will be disappear, and new strike prices will be came for 4th to 8th September. That is a weekly, but monthly remains same, and temporary also going to change. But last week temporary we have a lot of stocks, but still under this is testing, we are not any confirmed any. So as if you are using my Google Sheet, you just confirm a trade only based on weekly and monthly. If you know my advanced option strategy, you can apply the advanced option strategy, or simply you can use your own strategies on the top stocks or the fresh breakout stocks. Okay, so let me try to update our sheet whether it's going to be work or not. Okay, so it is going to be updated for the contract, that is the next week one. So let me change. So now it is going to be done in 2 minutes, and let me check this whether it is, yeah. So now the entirely weekly and temporary sheet would be automatically changed. So the update is going on. In this case again you can see 2380 of HDFC still there in here, and the engine is about all the strike price, only that particular strike price. So what's happening on HDFC AMC? So HDFC AMC, ignore that the HDFC AMC, because 2437 on the spot price. And if you go for a equity, 2437, in the future 2388. So there is a huge gap between that based on the future price. That future price is 2388, and if you are checking for a spot price, that was different. HDFC AMC, let me check this. Why we are getting confused? HDFC AMC spot. So this is what a spot price. Spot price is closing 2437. So you can see there is a near about 40 to 50 points gap between the future and spots. There is a no liquidity. So that was very slow and not traded. So simply ignore it, the stock which is in the top. And same like that, we can see Alchem Laboratories also be there, and 3640. In the last week, what we got it 36 some other opportunity, and so simply ignore these two stocks and remaining stocks which is updated for next week. When TPC is around 232, let me check NTPC. What is the closing price? 231.3, maybe a 232 is nearby closing price. Okay, yesterday is a great move on NTPC that was working better, and there is a trending. Okay, so monthly sheet still remaining same. Yeah, 3660 Alchem Laboratories last week, and now it is 3640. The strike price is adjusted, and the premium still it is not traded. So 265 and 214. So simply ignore it. As a monthly position, 394 is our entry point, but weekly positional 263 is our entry point. If you are comparing both the entry levels, that last traded price is greater than. And in our temporary sheet, we have some stocks like HDFC AMC in downside, Alchem, ICICI Prudential, Lalbath, and Bharat Forge. What it's simply saying, these are all the stocks, it's simply not liquid. So these stocks are not liquid, simply ignore these stocks. I hope you understood. So simply ignore the stocks and remaining. So if you got a new opportunity or a fresh breakout after 9:30, you can go for weekly and monthly positional. But the study purpose, we are using temporary sheet also. But monthly positional will not change any data, because this is what a strike price, closing price of these two stocks, and the same stocks still there is a no liquidity on this both. So this is what a concept which we are using for our Google Sheet for looks like an option scanner. This will help us to find out the stocks and before the breakout. So that is what the main concept which you are using on this sheet. And I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to join my tomorrow's live session in the morning 9:10 a.m. So if you wish, and you can join on my live session. Thank you for watching, and now the Google Sheet is ready for the next weekly contract, and also monthly positional is still already available. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. So if you want to access the Google Sheet, you just directly WhatsApp me the number which shown on this video. That is my WhatsApp number. You can get more detail how to use it, and what are the charges and other things. I think 1200 is my charges for the sheet for monthly. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll meet you tomorrow on our live session. Thank you.